Here I have Thomson TO13P, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly you have to open like Files application, then you should go to SD card, like not like this, you go to this Browse section, then you go to SD card here. Here you tap on three dots, go to Storage Settings and select an option Format. Then tap Format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be fully formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.